Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Mailchimp segmentation for better content engagement, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Mailchimp segmentation for better content engagement, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, navigate to the Audience tab at the top of the dashboard. Select the audience you want to work with if you have multiple audiences. Click on the Manage Audience drop-down menu and choose Segments. On the Segments page, click the Create Segment button. You will see a range of conditions to define your segment. For example, you can select location to target users from specific regions. Next, add additional conditions if needed to refine your segment further. After setting your conditions, hit the Preview Segment button to see who fits this segment. Review the list carefully to ensure it aligns with your objectives. Once satisfied, click the Save Segment button. Give your segment a descriptive name for easy reference later. You can also set up automated campaigns targeting this segment. To do that, return to the Campaigns tab and start creating a new campaign. When you reach the Audience section, select the segment you just created. Compose your campaign as usual, focusing on content that resonates with this specific audience. Finally, review all details and schedule or send your campaign. Monitor engagement metrics closely after sending. Use feedback to refine your segments for future campaigns. This approach will help increase engagement and improve your overall email strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.